Hello children, we are back on chapter 9 data handling, exercise 9.3. We'll delete question number 1, we'll start from question number 2. Okay children, now question number 2, what is given there? Let me read the question. Observe this bar graph which is showing the scale of shirt in a ready-made shop from Monday to Saturday. क्या है, मंडे टू सैटरडे में एक रेडीमेड जो शॉप है उसमें कितना कितना शर्ट सेल हुआ है वो हमने यहाँ पे ग्राफ में दिया है और उसको स्टडी करेंगे और उसका आंसर करना है. सो वी कैन सी दैट ऑन सैटरडे 60 shirts are sold and on Friday 50 and on Thursday 35 and on Wednesday 20, on Tuesday 10 and on Monday it is 15. Yes, now children will answer the questions accordingly. The question is, what information does the above bar graph give us? So this bar graph gives us the number of shirts sold from Monday to Saturday. Okay children. And second, what is the scale chosen on a horizontal line representing the shirt? So scale यहाँ पर क्या है? That is given here children. यहाँ पे scale क्या है? तो scale is, we can see that from 0 to 5. First number you will observe. Also scale is, we can take 1 unit equal to 5 shirts. That means आप ग्राफ पेपर करेंगे तो जो फर्स्ट बॉक्स है उसमें 5 आएगा, सेकंड में 10, 15, 20 लाइक विल राइट सिमिलरली एज दिस इज रिटर्न हियर. तो व्हाट इज द स्केल गिवन इज, सो 1 unit equal to 5 shirts. Okay children. Now next question is, on which day was the maximum number of shirts sold? How many shirts were sold on that day? सबसे ज़्यादा शर्ट कौन से दिन को सेल हुआ है और कितने? So we can observe this. On Saturday the maximum number of shirts are sold and it is 60. Then next question is, on which day the minimum number of shirts sold? सबसे कम कौन से दिन को? तो we can see here on Tuesday it was minimum number of shirts sold. And next question is, how many shirts were sold on Thursday? Thursday को कितने शर्ट सोल्ड किए थे? तो on Thursday here it was 35 shirts children. Okay, this is the answer of question number 2. Now we'll go for question number 3. The next question 3, yes it is here. Okay, so question is, observe this bar graph which shows the marks obtained by Aziz in half yearly examination in different subjects. अजीज ने जो स्कोर किया है हाफ ईयरली एग्जामिनेशन में वो यहाँ पे दिया हुआ है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाट इंफॉर्मेशन डज द बार ग्राफ गिव? तो अभी टाइटल में लिखा था कि अजीज़ का हाफ ईयरली एग्जामिनेशन के यहाँ पर चार्ट बनाया गया है. दिस बार ग्राफ शोज द मार्क्स ऑब्टेन्ड बाय अजीज इन डिफरेंट सब्जेक्ट्स in half yearly examination. Name the subject in which Aziz scored the maximum marks. So we can see children here in Hindi Aziz has scored maximum marks and how much is 80. Okay, then name the subject in which he scored the minimum marks. So we can see that in SST he scored the minimum marks and it is 40. स्टेट द नेम ऑफ सब्जेक्ट एंड मार्क्स ऑब्टेन इन ईच ऑफ देम. कौन कौन से सब्जेक्ट में कितने मार्क्स आए हैं. सो इन हिंदी इट इज़ 80, in English it is 60, and mathematics 70, and science it is 50, and SST again it is 40 marks. Okay children, thank you, have a nice day, enjoy the lesson.